Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix YouTube trending option not showing. Okay, let's start. At first go to your Play Store. Check Update YouTube. Now update YouTube. Updating YouTube. Now back. Then tap and hold YouTube. Click on alert icon. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache and click on clear data. Click on delete. Back. Click on permissions. All permission is allowed. Now back. Click on YouTube. Now click on hidden icon. You can see YouTube trending option showing. Click on trending. By doing this process, you can successful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.